welcome back to My Creative Year, and it's my week, or my day I should say, not my week. Anyhow, this month's tip that I showed you, or book review, was on a how to carve, your own stamps kind of thing. And one of my tips that I have is, and I learned this a long time ago, is to take a piece of chipboard, okay, and cut it to the size of the stamp that you want to carve, okay. This one's a little bit big because I already had put the stamp material onto a piece of chipboard to make it easier to stamp with, but before I had added the backing to this, it fit perfectly in this like frame, okay. And the purpose for this is when you're cutting your material, you don't want it sliding around because it's just dangerous. Because you don't want to carve, and you don't want to start carving and slip and have your carving thing go into your hand. I've had that. So to put this in the frame like this, okay, so I would cut it to where this is fitting snug. All right, so that it stays in place, so that when you do go to carve, this isn't sliding around all over the place, because the chances of getting cut that way are great. And then when you do cut, I suggest cutting away from your hand, away from your body, because I've learned the hard way. All right, so that's a word of warning, a word of caution when carving stamps, because I have cut myself pretty good. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed my quick take on this week's prompt, which is warning, and that is my tip. All right, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.